Hey, what's going on everybody? Donovan here with Fretspot. Another gorgeous FBass to show you today. This is again another special order for a really good customer, my good friend Chris here. Don't get a lot of 4-string FBasses, and matter of fact, I was talking to a customer about this the other day. I don't know, I guess maybe I've sold a dozen of them or so over the years. When you consider like the hundreds of FBasses I've sold, like that's not very many. But this one is super special, and I'm super excited to show it to you. Matter of fact, one could say it's not just special, it's deluxe. So this is indeed a BN4 Deluxe. First one of these that I've seen, and with this gorgeous roasted ash body. Just look at that. I mean, who needs an exotic top when you've got wood grain like that? That is just ridiculous. Obviously, with it being the Deluxe, it's got the exposed coil pickups, and we have a matching ramp. Rosewood fingerboard with dots, matching roasted peg head. And then on the back, we've got a 5-piece maple and wingay neck. So just absolutely stunning. Black and gold hardware. Of course, I'm doing this video, so my dog decides to come up and chase his tail. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can show this to you. Sorry for the messy house. That's Sarge. You can show him what you're doing, Sarge? Oh, sure, now you're just standing still and being quiet because you know you're being filmed. There we go. Get that tail, buddy. Get that tail. Get that tail. Now you know what's on the other side of this camera, and you can see why I have the whole thing very closely curated. Oh gosh, it's a mess here. Anyway, what I was saying, black and gold hardware. And then with the Deluxe, just because this is new, maybe not everybody knows, essentially, you know, our normal BN series pickups are like a soap bar style humbucker, and normally that played in single coil mode. You can get humbucking, but you can't choose like series, parallel, all that kind of stuff. But with the Deluxe series, you can. It's a dual row stacked humbucker with coil tap options. So you can do series, single coil, and parallel for each one. And then you got bass, mid, treble, 2 volumes, and a pan. So, and then push-pull for active passive. So really, really great system, very versatile system. I run you through a few sounds. I'm just gonna hug this thing. I run you through a few sounds of going through, and I'll try to put them on screen, but generally I'm going single coil, series, parallel, and I'll try, like I said, I'll try to capture that so you can hear what the different sounds sound like. This thing's just gorgeous. If you'd like one of these for yourself, reach out to me at donovan@fretspot.com. You can always check out my website at fretspot.com. Don't often have things in stock just because things sell out before I can get them in stock. But I always have dozens of basses on order. So if there's something you would like, reach out to me and I'm happy to tell you what I got on order and see if there's a keeper for you. If not, we can get one on order for you. It's only $500 to get the order started. And current delivery times with FBass are about a year. MTD is about 10 months. Roscoe's in the 6-month-ish range. I can't talk. I don't know why I can't talk. So I haven't been drinking. That might be why. So anyway, I recorded a quick clip of this, so let's take a quick listen and reach out to me if you want one.
Mm-hmm.